Hey everyone, Luke Thompson from the Operations Guide here. I wanted to make a fast video and run through a daily news scheduled task LinkedIn content creator. And that is a huge mouthful as I say it. But what it is I have a lot of LinkedIn content that I can schedule weeks, even months in advance if I wanted to. But the problem that I was facing is it's not in the trending news cycle. And so this scheduled task allows me to also create content that is new and relevant with a very low lift, all from directly inside of ChatGPT. So if you're not familiar with tasks, you can actually just ask any model of ChatGPT to create a task for you that runs on a schedule. And so if you wanted to research something on the internet and then provide a report on that every day at the same exact time, you can do that. So you can either just create it by asking it, or there's a tasks tab on desktop where you can actually see the different scheduled tasks that you have running. It's kind of hard to see right here, but I've created a Notion doc and I'll just include a link to this. You can see the majority of this is actually my writing references. So everything above this line is the task template itself, and everything below is just my own writing examples that I provide so that it will actually sound like me when it's done. Over here, it will, whenever the scheduled task runs, I just ran another test, but it will generate these two different images because it has followed and adhered to my instructions. And I'll usually add some subtle of my name kind of hidden in there. Ideogram is a better platform, in my opinion, for text rendering. And so I'll usually just copy the ChatGPT image and bring it over to Ideogram because I think it looks a lot better. And I'll use this image to accompany the post. So this will run, and I have it actually pick two different posts that are relevant to my skills and the things that I talk to. So it's picking one from cracking down on remote work, return to office, and how people are missing the point with that. It includes simple call to action and some very basic hashtags, but this is a really fast way to generate highly relevant trending content for LinkedIn or any other platforms from directly inside of ChatGPT. And the only external tool that I use for this is Ideogram for the image generation. But of course, you can build things yourself or do it a different way. So I'll include a link to really all of these examples I've provided. But hopefully you found this helpful, and let me know if there's anything specific that I can answer, or if you want a more in-depth look at things like this that I build. Thanks. Hope you have a great day.